All right, this is I believe it's a Hunter T-Rose ceiling fan or something like that. I think it's called the T-Rose. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's got flowers on it. I think this may be the coolest fan in the house, and I saved it for last too. So there's the light, and here's low. All these fans in this house are very good performers. Work like they were brand new. Oop. But they're not. They've been here for like 25 years. It's definitely the coolest fan in the house. Okay. Medium. Very quiet fan too. Okay. And here's high. Yet another really good performer. I'm actually pretty impressed with all these fans in here. Very fast. Moves a lot of good air. All right, that's it for that one. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fans.